In just over 10 minutes, a camel can consume up 30 gallons of water, which is stored in its bloodstream. Additionally, the camel's fatty hump serves as a source of nourishment during times of scarce food availability. Many sea creatures, such as salmon and turtles, rely on Earth's magnetic field to navigate their way through the vast expanses of the ocean. This remarkable ability allows them to embark on incredible journeys, spanning thousands of miles, as they migrate or search for food. In addition to their vital role in respiration, your lungs serve another crucial function. They produce blood cells essential for clotting, which halts bleeding. Astonishingly, your lungs generate over 10 million of these tiny cells every hour. On the periodic table, you'll notice that only 2 letters are absent: J and Q. Ever heard of anatidophobia? It's the fear that at any given moment, a duck or a goose might be keeping an eye on you. It's not so much about the fear of them waddling up to you or touching you, but rather the discomfort of feeling watched. This fear was first depicted in a comic strip, highlighting how fears can take all sorts of forms. Imagine a duck monitoring your every move. It'd definitely give me the heebie-jeebies. I might just quack up. The shiny coating on your favorite fruit candies? That's thanks to carnauba wax. Interestingly, many fruits, like apples, also have a natural layer of this wax. It not only gives candies and fruit their glossy appearance, but also works wonders for making your car sparkle. Peaches and nectarines may appear distinct, but they're essentially siblings in the fruit family. The difference lies in a single gene. If the fluffiness gene dominates, we get peaches. Otherwise, we enjoy smooth nectarines. Crows excel at remembering human faces for extended periods, which could work in your favor or against you, depending on your interactions with them. Encountering a crow holding a grudge isn't ideal, especially considering how challenging it is to distinguish one from another. To err on the side of caution, a friendly wave might be the safest bet. In Italian, a single strand of spaghetti is referred to as spaghetto. This naming convention follows a rule where an I at the end of a word indicates its plural, while an O denotes singular. This linguistic pattern applies to various pasta types like njocco for gnocchi, fettuccino for fettuccine, and raviolo for a single delicious parcel. Water can undergo freezing and boiling simultaneously, a phenomenon known as the triple point. This occurs when a substance can exist in solid, liquid, and gaseous states simultaneously, but only at a specific pressure and temperature. We're accustomed to seeing ranch dressing as white, but in truth, producers often incorporate titanium dioxide to achieve that color, much like sunscreen manufacturers. This additive is also found in Caesar and blue cheese dressings. Cold water actually heats up faster than hot water, a phenomenon dependent on the temperature gap between the liquid and its environment. This disparity means that cold water requires less time to absorb heat. However, it's important to note that this doesn't necessarily mean it will reach boiling point quicker than hot water. Zealandia, nestled in the Pacific Ocean, is referred to as a submerged continent, sometimes dubbed a continental fragment or microcontinent. Covering nearly 2 million square miles, it's roughly half the size of the United States. This vast landmass submerged approximately 23 million years ago, with New Zealand emerging as its largest remaining above-water portion. Evolutionary processes persist among humans, as evidenced by ongoing scientific observation of millions of human anomalies. Surprisingly, these studies reveal a gradual elimination of detrimental genes from the human DNA pool over time. While Skittles and M&M candies utilize beetle-derived colorings, the red food dye, carmine, is specifically sourced from cochineal beetles. Interestingly, these same beetles are also used in the production of red lipsticks. Thanks for tuning in to Curiosity Vista. If you enjoyed learning these fascinating facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep exploring and stay curious.